helped millions of investors make profitable trades in the market. Their daily advice will help you make the right trading calls. India's top technical analysts appear only on ET Now, India's #1 stock market channel.
Watching the afternoon show right here on ET Now. In the meanwhile, let's go across to Dr. Narayan and get his first strategy in. Dr. Narayan, you had a strategy on Nalco and you have a position on that one. Let's discuss your earlier strategies, Nalco, Orchid and Punch Lloyd.
Yeah, we had a long in Nalco, we had a short in Orchid, and we had a long in Punch Lloyd. In this fall, Punch Lloyd seems to be almost on the verge of trying to trigger its stop, which was at about 38. I would in any case suggest an exit because the stock has not really lived up to the expectation. So if you do get a small rally during the day, you should exit it or the stock gets triggered. As far as Orchid is concerned, it's behaving in line with what was the expectation, so I would continue to suggest holding it for the target at about 123. Nalco was more a play on the expiry, didn't really do much. Trading in and around the levels that we had traded it, so maybe it's a position which could be held on for a day more perhaps at the most, but or could also be exited. These are the older ones. Would you want me to go into the newer ones?
Can you? Yeah, you could discuss the newer ones as well.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I have two of them, both are long. One is a breakout buy in Tata Motors and the other is a trade in REC at the current levels. Now REC is trading at about 153. It has moved up with a little bit of extra fizz today. I really don't know the reason, not that I particularly care for the reason, but the fact that the stock has moved up with some fizz makes it interesting. So I would venture a buy because the stop is pretty nearby. Currently trading at about 53, 54. Keep a stop at about 51, 52, not more than that. And look for a target till about 62. So the risk to reward payoff is fairly attractive here if it were to come up, because the stock is really down, so maybe it's going to see a bit of a rally. But then that would need a little bit of strength on the market. As far as Tata Motors is concerned, I am actually recommending a breakout buy strategy here at about 184 and above. It was trading into that area in the morning when I sent you the strategy, but then in this hit the prices have actually come down. So it's actually a breakout buy strategy. We buy it only if the prices in the futures trade above 184, in which case we maintain a stop at about 180 and look to go long with an expected target about 192. So that's a trade maybe in the future, not today, not right now, maybe as and when it happens.
Okay, so